Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm device and the most recent backup. Once done, stop adding files. This prevents overwriting deleted photo data. Make sure to toggle airplane mode or power off Wi-Fi to limit writes. Next, identify backup sources: iCloud, Google Photos, OneDrive, or a local computer backup. If a backup exists, you'll restore directly. If not, prepare for file recovery by installing a reputable recovery app on a separate computer, or using an on-device recovery tool that supports your file system. You now run the recovery tool and choose Settings. First, select the correct device model and permit read-only access where available, because writing can corrupt recoverable data. Once selected, start a quick scan to find recent deletes. If results lack your photos, run a deep sector scan. This takes longer, yet finds fragmented files. Make sure to preview thumbnails and metadata to verify integrity. Then, mark only the photos you need. Avoid mass restores to a device drive. Restore to external storage or PC first to keep originals intact. You finish by restoring selected files to external storage, not the original device. This reduces risk. Once restored, verify each photo opens and check timestamps and file size to ensure completeness. After verification, copy back to your device and immediately create a backup in cloud or local storage. If photos are corrupted or missing, try a second tool with different scan algorithms, retry a deeper scan, or consult a professional recovery service. These steps increase success when software alone can't retrieve usable files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.